Hey guys, Megan here, and today is February 2nd, and we're gonna go out and do a little more shoveling because we shoveled when the snow started yesterday. I want to say afternoon, and then we shoveled last night before we went to bed, and it still doesn't look like we put a dent in it. So I also have to go out and see what the chickens are doing, and I have to come inside and clean this mess right there. All right, enjoy. You can see it has snowed. We managed to dig out a little. Finally we can get the driveway heat on and it's working. We're starting the vehicles, cleaning them off, but this is what fell. Okay, sorry. Back to the tour. So, February 2nd, 40 degrees in here. Yep. We got a water in here. I'm just gonna open this up. Open everything up today. Ooh. And I'll show you guys. Peas still alive. Well, no peas, but so I don't think that I actually, here's the Swiss chard. As you can see, it has recovered and it is growing. I don't know if you can see that. See in there, it's growing. It's all growing. It's not cold. Here's another lettuce. I think that for this experiment, I should germinate seed earlier. The pak choy bed is done. This here is going to come off and be the lid for next year and the other grow house. Okay, let's get this open here, see how everything's doing. Everything looks to be fine. My aloe plant's still struggling. I keep forgetting to take it inside. All the brassicas seem to be doing fine, and like I said, see that lettuce all the way down there? Let me get the stick back here. There we go. Stick is on. Let's see. We got the diesel heater here. It's not on right now. The spinach, I must say, is doing a lot better today. I'll pick some leaves and have a salad. Listen, it's not so that you can have a salad for 10 people every day, but if you needed roughage in your diet, you can have a salad at least once a week, twice a week at best, on some good days. Oh, let me take this off here. Okay, so there we go. That Swiss chard looks good. I think next year I'll limit my green growth to Swiss chard, lettuce. If I can get broccoli germinated sooner, broccoli. Let's see, Swiss chard, lettuce, broccoli, spinach. And if I can get, again, if I can get some cabbages seeded early and growing heads before winter, then I would probably be a little more successful. Now the diesel heater can go 12 hours on its little tank. So we turn it on around 6 p.m. and by 6 a.m. before I go to work, I come here, I uncover everything, I fill the tank, and I turn it on. Between the time that this goes off on days like this and we come out to do chores and shovel out, then I have this heater that goes on for a few hours. This heater really doesn't heat as well as this heater, but you do what you can with what you got. And for the most part, we've been able to add greens to almost every meal. Yesterday we had some spinach leaves and Swiss chard in some turkey noodle soup, and today we will have maybe some burritos with some spinach, lettuce, and Swiss chard. This really didn't germinate in time, and it's really slow in growing, but I'm almost sure that once the spring rolls around, we will be swimming in kale. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for me. I'm gonna go back, and my son just salted this area, so I may crack it up with the shovel. Let's see. Let's check out this grow house. I went in here to get some hay, but I really didn't. Next year, since this grow house won't be here, we'd have a better way to get into this one because we can snow blow. Okay, so in here, I want to say it's pretty warm in here. Again with the snow, let's try to get that off. Some of the, see the construction. Some of that off. Just a little bit of the weight. There we go, a little bit of the weight off the roof. Stuff in here I don't want to say is dead, because it isn't, but on a nice sunny day I may come and water in here and everything will pop back up. Still got the grasses growing. Everything here is pretty much gone. The Swiss chard struggles. But hey, got some leaves, right? Strawberries are pretty much done. The rosemary's gone. Is it rosemary? Let me see, what is it? Oh, lemon thyme is gone. I'll cut it down, it'll come back. Strawberries are done. Something is burrowing up through this hole there. So, this year, it's going to be a lot of work, but I plan to scoop up this side, take this side all out, push the beds up on their sides, clean the dirt out, move the strawberries, clean all that out, and raise this side a bit because this is on a slope. I don't know if you noticed, but it's on the downhill slope. So I want to raise this side wall up a bit. And of course, I'm still collecting bags of soil. Let me see. 32 quarts. 32 quart bags, or 50 quart? Is it 50 quart? Yeah, 50 quart bags or 32 quart bags. Whatever they have on sale for $6. Home Depot has them for $6 if you go in and say, you know, I'm taking 10, could you give them to me for $6 each? They will. I used to work there, so I know someone who can add that to my order when I order online, pick up in store. I just tell them, could you knock them down to $6? I think they're like $6.79 or something. I don't even know. Yeah, this side is good. This side is good. So this side isn't coming out. I have some potatoes sprouting inside that I think I'm going to put in this bed. See how they go. See how they do. I have some of these bins in here I'm going to fill with soil so that I can plant some potatoes. This one already has soil. So I'll just tip this soil over, add some nutrients to it and some more potting mix, and I should be able to get some potatoes in there. My garlic looks like it's struggling, but it's still alive. Again, nothing in here. Again, the dirt is still there. And this year I plan to put a new, I wanted to see how this grow house held up with snow and wind, because it doesn't have the protection of the house like the one on the deck, on the patio. So it fared pretty well. So I am going to buy a 12 mil plastic for the top. Well, that's pretty much it right now. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, at least press that little like button. And share with your friends who may be interested in growing in a hoop house in a cold weather climate. Yeah, this is ridiculous. All right,